Hello, my name is Aman, and today we are going to talk about a LeetCode problem, contents duplicate. So for this problem, I'm going to use C++, and now let's move to the question here. Here we have written in the problem, given an integer array nums, return to if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Now let's understand the problem, what the problem is all about. Is here we have given an array named is nums, and inside the array we have given numbers here. So what we have to find in in this question is we just have to check the we just have to check the numbers here, and we have to check if the numbers are repeated. That means it is duplicate here, and contains duplicate in the array. So we will give the output true. Otherwise, if there is no repeated or duplicate numbers there, and that supposed to be false. So let's understand from the example here. Here you can see here the variables nums have array inside it, and we have number, and one is two times here, and it is in the last also, and two is only one times, and three is only one time. So it is true because the one is repeated here. As you can see in the explanation, the element one occurs at the integers 0 and 3. So so this example is considered as true, and let's move to the second example. And in this variable there is no repeated numbers here, so we will consider it as a false. So now let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. So for this problem, I'm going to use another map where we are going to store the elements frequency of the numbers. If the numbers is repeated, and it is more than one, and so we will consider it as a true. Otherwise, if it is greater than one, then it is considered as true, otherwise it is considered as false. So let's now write the code here. I'm going to write the code here. So first of all, I'm going to create a map. So here after creating a map, I'm giving a condition here. What the condition is here is, first of all, giving the condition, first of all we are going to put all the elements in the map we created. After that, we are going to give a condition there. Here, the map is going to checking it if the numbers are greater than one or not. It is going to store the frequency of the number, and after that, we are going to check it here. If the number that I stored in the map is greater than one, then we will consider it as a true. Otherwise, we will consider it as a false. So here I have written all the codes here, and what we have done here is we have created simply a variable here, and after that we have traversed here, and in the nums through the creating a variable I inside I, we have what we have done is we just simply use this for storing in the map mp another map variable that we have created here, named is mp, and then we have put a condition here. What the condition is, if the frequency is greater than one, and then we will consider it as a true. Otherwise, we will consider it as a duplicate, not greater than one. So now let's check the code here. So the test cases we are going to check here is So we finally passed the code here, and then we get 45 milliseconds. So we got very high time here. So thank you for watching me, and for the LinkedIn link and the GitHub link, I have put in the description section. You guys can check it, and if there is any problem, you guys can tell me about it. And thank you for watching me.